Welcome to you friends on Delhi IAS, and today we are going to do daily current affairs analysis from the Hindu newspaper, and today date is 18th of June 2023, and this analysis will be very helpful for you to your clear your competitive exams and getting higher marks, because this is a quick review of important news from today's newspaper. So after this, if you will watch your current affairs source, then it will have a double effect on your memory. Okay, so let's start without any delay. Because today is 18 June and today is Sunday, so there are not so many news, so we will discuss only some of the important news. As you can see, only 3 main articles are here according to me, and first is we can use it as an example in GS3 as well as GS4, that monitoring app is introduced as a pilot project in in Meghalaya. So monitoring app is used as a pilot project in Meghalaya for government appointed teacher. As you can see that in our surrounding, government teacher generally absent. There is a another person who is doing work in place of real person in the government schools. So to curb on that, Manipur has done this Meghalaya state has done a pilot project, and it's give a fruitful result. That's why it is published in a national newspaper. Okay, so this can be used as an example of use of technology in governance. Okay, second important news is from international relations GS2, that PM Modi proposed G20 membership for African Union. As you know, in G20 there are 19 countries plus European Union. Now what Prime Minister Modi is suggesting to add African Union as well. African Union is basically group of 55 countries, okay, which represent Africa. Okay, African continent. Okay, third news is cooler days and warmer night. This looks like something opposite, but it's true. Cooler days and warmer night in Bhubaneswar and Cuttack. This all due to urban heat island. As you know that in urban area, due to buildings and concretization, there are during the daytime they absorb sunlight from the sun and sun. Okay, but during day night it absorb as a sunlight from the sun, but in the night time they emit infrared IR infrared waves. Due to heating whole day, they emit, this concrete structure emit heat. Due to this heat, and it is surrounded by the atmosphere, so if it is surrounded by the atmosphere, so it create a heating effect in this region. Okay, it creates a heating effect in this region. That's why we said this urban heat island. So these were 3 main important news. Hope you like it. If you like, then to support, please subscribe the channel and give a thumbs up in comment box. Okay, thank you.